Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Owlet Dream Sock to Wi-Fi. So in order to do it, you can use your mobile device and you just have to simply open the web browser. But before that, you need to note that Owlet products work with the dual brand routers. So for setup, both your Owlet device and phone or tablet needs to be connected to the 2.4 gigahertz. If you are unclear with what frequency your phone is connected to, you can try their Wi-Fi diagnostics tool. Please perform setup within 10 feet of your router. After setup, you may move your phone and tablet back to 5 gigahertz. Now you just have to simply follow these steps before completing the this guide. So you just have to do that. So if you get an error message, you need to click on OK and verify that you are connected to the Owlet network. If not selected the Owlet network again, then you need to click on the upper right hand corner before the error message appears again. Now open the new internet browser window and type uh, this code here into the search bar. You can even take a look at this image. Now you need to click enter or return to complete the search. Then you need to click connect next to your Wi-Fi network name and type the Wi-Fi password when prompted. Afterwards, you need to close your browser and navigate back to your phone setting and reconnect your regular Wi-Fi network. So you just have to simply follow these instructions in order to connect your Owlet DreamSock to Wi-Fi. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.